Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I ordered something from Belk about maybe a week ago, and it just got here. The FedEx man hit my storm door so hard, banging on it. It's the one he didn't break the glass. Well, anyway, the box is finally here. I have been watching Cooking with Doug's Facebook gadget channel. Anyway, everybody was getting the Presto indoor smoker. So I took a chance and ordered me one. Okay, so let's open it up. This is the big box it came in, even though it's nothing like this big. I want to show you how it's packaged up because it looks like it's been opened. So I like to document stuff. See how this box is, and it's just regular shipping tape on here. So, and that's the way the back of the box looks. So I hope it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and open this so I don't take up so much time. Okay, I got the cardboard box open. So this was just laying on top of it. Okay. Hello. Indoor electric smoker and slow cooker. I'm not worried about the slow cooker part because I got so many slow cookers around here, y'all, I don't even use. Packing slip. Okay. If I don't like it, I can send it back. Okay. Upside down. Let's see. There you go. This is what this looks like. It's by the Presto company. Indoor electric smoker. And I bought this with my own money, y'all. Gotta make sure. Okay, this box is kind of messed up right here a little bit. Yeah. Okay, let me open this. So I'll make another video with me actually using this, smoking some. I got my ribs sitting on the counter, y'all. They already been washed, marinated, cut up, seasoned, frozen, thawed out. So now they're sitting on the counter, just waiting to be cooked. I can't stand to scrape this styrofoam. I don't like the sound. Ew. Oh Lord. Lid out of here. It has a manual, instruction manual. I'm sure there are recipes probably in here too. I don't know yet. That's how the lid looks with the nice gasket, rubber gasket. And it has this thing in the lid. Like if you're slow cooking, I guess you can leave this open, but if you're smoking, you want to close that. Okay, I gotta learn more about it. These are the racks. Let me get to the good stuff first. It's packaged up nicely, and it doesn't appear to be damaged at all. Okay, once again, that's how the box looks. There's a dent right there. Okay, let me look at this first. Okay, it looks okay. Has rubber on the bottom of the feet. It has an inner pot. This is what you slow cook in if you want to slow cook. There's a max line up in here. This is the important stuff. It has a wood chip cup. It has holes around the sides. See these holes around the sides? This is the way the inside looks. It has this heating coil. And you can put this, here. It fits inside the little thingamajig at the bottom of the heating coil. So you fill that up with wood chips. All up in there, all around the sides of this little thing here, inside, and all inside the coil. And then once your wood chips are in there, you cover it up with this. Like that. My wife Doug do his, he did some ribs. It has, let me see, about a 2.5 foot cord, and it has a grounded plug. I'll take that off later. 3 prongs, grounded plug. It has the, peel this off. Cold smoke, hot smoke, combo smoke, slow cook, start and stop and warm. So you're not actually setting any temperature, no degrees, but I believe you can set the time. So, yeah, this is easy to peel off. Okay. Works indoors. Smoke foods right on your kitchen counter. All right. I'm gonna wash this and get started. So this is the, what you call it? I'm so excited I can't think. Finger out the way. So it's in good condition. So this is supposed to have a handle. Or a handle. Okay. These are interlocking. I don't want to call them no trivet. So you can put your food on 3 different levels. Maybe like that. How you do this thing? Oh. You put your meat on 3 different levels if you want to. I think I'm going to do something different. Y'all know me, I'm always doing something. Okay, well, this is my PRESTO indoor electric smoker and slow cooker. And so far, I like it. I like the looks of it. Let me show you the wood that I bought. Okay, I got some apple barbecue smoking chips. We got mesquite. See in the bag, that's the size of them. And the hickory. So, you can buy these from Walmart. They're like $2 a bag, or you can get them from Amazon. It's like between $2 and $4. So I want to thank you for watching this unboxing. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will leave a link. This is also sold on Amazon. I got this for a few dollars cheaper by buying it from Belk, but it took a week to get here. So if you buy from Amazon and you got Prime, you can get it in a couple days. And I was excited, so I wasn't thinking when I bought it, because I didn't know it's going to take a week for me to get this by shopping on Belk. So if I had to do it over again, I would have bought it from Amazon. And I would have had it. But anyway, I think it's nice. It's a nice quality made product. So I'm going to do my thumbnail. And I'm going to go in the kitchen and wash it and get you cooking. So. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all be blessed. Bye.